In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a flag mark in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, utilizing flag marks can really enhance your chart analysis and help you keep track of important setups or notes. And don't worry, the process is straightforward. I'll guide you through each step so you can efficiently integrate this feature into your Tradingview experience. To begin, start by opening Tradingview in your web browser. Once Tradingview has loaded, navigate to the Superchart feature from the main page. The Superchart is a powerful tool that offers advanced charting capabilities, making it the ideal platform for adding various indicators, including our flag marks. Next, as you look at your Superchart, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a toolbar. Within this toolbar, locate the option for text and notes. Accessing this menu is the gateway to placing various types of annotations on your charts, which not only helps in marking essential levels, but also in conveying additional information through visual cues. Within the text and notes options, select the flag mark. The flag mark is an intuitive tool, perfect for drawing attention to particular points of interest on your chart. By choosing this option, you're ensuring that any vital information stands out during your analysis. Once you've selected the flag mark, the next step is simply to click on the part of your chart where you'd like to place it. Each click will anchor a flag mark to that specific price level or time frame, allowing easy reference in the future. Upon placing your flag mark, it's time to explore customization options. Tradingview allows you to tweak the flag settings to better align with your personal preferences. This includes adjusting the style of the flag mark to blend with or stand out from the myriad of other indicators you might be using. Customization is key in creating a visual experience that is both informative and less cluttering. After initial placement and customization, you can further enhance your flag marks by altering their colors and coordinates for even more precise visual representations. Within the settings menu, dive into the color spectrum, giving your flag marks a distinguishing hue that resonates with its significance. Additionally, coordinate adjustments allow for an exact placement on the chart, ensuring that your flag marks convey the most accurate information possible. By utilizing flag marks in this manner, you can effectively transform your charting and trading process into a more organized, stylish, and informative endeavor. Now you're all set to use this feature to enhance your analysis. Thank you for watching and happy trading.